Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today, we will be repairing an oil leak on this Troy-Bilt snow thrower with a Tecumseh engine. The output shaft seal has been leaking oil and needs to be replaced. So, let's get started. Step 1. Safety first. Before working around the engine crankshaft, we will disconnect the spark plug to prevent accidental starts. Step 2. Removing the pulleys. Remove the belt cover to access the crankshaft. The oil seal is behind the pulleys, so we need to remove them. Using a pry bar, pop the belts off the pulleys. Remove the crankshaft bolt holding the pulleys in place. Sometimes, you may need a pair of pliers to hold the crankshaft from spinning. Remove the auger pulley, then the drive pulley. These are two-part pulleys, so remember which side each piece belongs to. Step 3. Removing the old oil seal. Clean the area using a degreaser or spray cleaner to remove oil and dirt. Using a center punch and a small drill bit, drill into the face of the seal, stopping as soon as the bit penetrates the surface. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more small engine repair tips. Insert a small screw into the hole, grab it with channel locks, and use a hammer to tap the seal out. And there you have it, the seal has been removed. Step 4. Installing the new seal. Clean the surface again to remove any oil and dirt. We will be replacing the old seal with a Tecumseh seal, part number 27897. Apply a small amount of oil to the new seal and slowly insert it onto the shaft. Using a punch, tap the seal unevenly until it is flush with the housing. At this point, you can start the engine to check for leaks before reassembling everything. Step 5. Reassembly. Reinstall the drive pulley and the auger pulley. Reinstall the belts. If the drive belt has fallen off the bottom pulley, we will fix that next. Reinstall the crankshaft bolt and tighten it securely. If the drive belt is off, lean the snow thrower onto the auger housing. There is an access panel on the bottom. Apparently, someone accessed it before, but never tightened it back up. Remove the 4 bolts securing the panel. There are signs of a mouse nest inside, something to keep an eye on. Using a small pry bar, rotate the large pulley to pop the belt back on.
It looks like another one is good to go.
Clean the cover and reinstall it, ensuring all 4 bolts are tightened. Step 6. Final checks. Carefully lower the machine back onto its wheels. Check and add oil to the engine if necessary. Start the engine and let it run for 30 minutes to check for leaks. With no signs of leakage, reinstall the belt cover and tighten it down. Check for proper movement and actuate the auger. With everything working normally and no more leaking, that can only mean one thing.